Boys and girls, today our book is going to take us on a new adventure. We get to leave the classroom and go to the zoo today. Get ready to have some fun. This book is called At the Zoo by Gina Klein and Katie Inks. At the Zoo. All right, before we get started today, can you find something for me? Can you find some letters? What letters do you see? Great job. I see A, I see O, I see T, I see a P. Wow, there are so many letters. Did you know that letters go together to make words? Let's count how many words there are on this page. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you find the biggest or longest word? Point to it with your fingers. Great job. This is a really long word. Can you find the smallest word on this page? Point to it with your fingers. Did you point to this one? Great job. I is a letter, but it's also a word. Today when we're reading, funny I should see some penguins here because we're going to be working on the strategy called Pointy Penguin. And a pointy penguin points to each word. Let's point to each word. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. I didn't skip any words and I didn't slide underneath. Never, never slide. All right, let's get started. I'll read the first few pages. I see penguins at the zoo. I see monkeys at the zoo. I see bears at the zoo. I see leopards at the zoo. I see elephants at the zoo. I see turtles at the zoo. Wow, this is fun. Can you read along with me? Ready, go. Great job. I see zebras at the zoo. I see lizards at the zoo. Did you figure it out? I see tigers at the zoo. I see hippos at the zoo. I see lions at the zoo. Great job. Let's read together. 1, 2, ready, go. I see giraffes at the zoo. All right, thank you for going to the zoo with me today, and thank you for pointing to each word when you read. Remember, never, never slide your finger underneath, and don't skip words. Today we learned some power words in the yellow box. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know some of these words? I, see, at, the. Great job. Thank you for reading.